Hit him. Hit your ducks.
He loves it. Jack. What's Daddy doing? Take Elmo for a ride. Go ahead. Whoop, good catching. Go ahead. Good boy, go get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Oh, now you really have to go get it. Good job. Oh, you want candy? What are you gonna do? You gonna throw the candy on the floor? Tell all your fans why you have those pads on your elbows. 'Cause you pull out your port. Right? Yeah, I'm talking about you. That's all you. You trying to escape? Hey, big man. Boom. What's that? Woohoo!
I haven't seen him walk so good like this, Christy.
No?
No, now with one hand.
He's been practicing this week.
Usually he'll grab with the other hand.
Easter bunny.
He's doing great.
Come on, Jack.
Good.
Oh, big bunny.
Thing would destroy your dog's jacket.
Oh, he's not scared at all. Look at him.
Yeah. Give me toys. Give me toys. Yay.
Say hi to the bunny, Jack.
That is a monster.
He's like, something new.
It's like what makes your day when you come and do this. Okay, we can just hang out together, all of us. Can you be my friend?
Oh my goodness.
Say cheese.
You gonna fall asleep while you're driving? Come on, go backwards. His foot's stuck. Oh, you got it. Good.
Watch this off.
Jack, look at the bubbles.
He said this is a different feeling.
Look at the bubbles! Isn't this great? This is so much fun!
All eyes about Shayna.
Hi, doggy.
I guess you don't want her to kiss, do you?
We can clean him off.
Yeah.
You want her to kiss
Look
you.
at that smile, yeah.
Come here, puppy, come here.
Yeah,
Say, come and
look at that
visit.
Smile. Shayna.
Come and visit. Yeah, that's a doggy.
Hi! What a big wave. Very good.
You like the dog, huh, Jack? There you go.
Yeah, look at this smile.
He's like, he's
Look at
like
that
me, then maybe
pretty
I should like me.
smile. Whoop.
If we get the dog to eat a treat, will you eat a treat?
That's away. That's
Hi,
away.
Jack. Ready? You lick it. Jack. Jack, mommy's gonna get. You lick it. You lick it. You do it. Try it, try it, try it. Oh, you'll like it. Oh. No.
Isn't it funny going wee? Look at that face. He's like, I'm not sure. This is weird.
I think I like it. Yay! Wow.
Your face is to die for. It's like, I'm not sure if I'm going to cry or smile. Yay!
Is that a tire on that?
Jack, you want peanut butter? Mmm. Mmm. Put it near your mouth. Come on. That's a good boy. Here. Mmm. Put it in your mouth. Mmm. Yeah, wave it all around. Get it all over your cart. Put it in your mouth. That's where we want it to go. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Peanut butter fingers. Lick your fingers. Lick your fingers. It looks like poop. You like to put your fingers in poop. Mmm. Yo, blue kisses. Mwah. Thanks. Mwah. Come on, get up. Bleh. Yay! More? Wow!
Jack.
Are you cruising? No. No. You coming to mommy? Come on. Mmm. You have the rest ready to go? Can I have that? Thank you. All done? No, I'm gonna go back for seconds.